And before we start, we're gonna introduce ourselves. My name is Laquisha as the captain.
My name is Najma Sorariski Zakira. My name is Shimatik.
My name is Yofi Andrean.
My name is Naira Falisa.
My name is Najwa Zara, and today we're going to be making buttermilk chicken and mango Yakult. Bye-bye!
These are all the ingredients and tools that we need for making buttermilk chicken. Before we fry the chicken, we marinate it with the ingredients we have here. First of all, we pour the oil into the pan. And then we're coating our marinated chicken with flour. Next, we fry the chicken. Don't forget to strain the excess oil. And finally, how our fried chicken currently looks like. For our buttermilk chicken sauce, we're going to be chopping some garlic and chili. After that, we stir fry the chili and garlic with some butter and curry leaves. Add some evaporated milk. And for the seasonings, we're gonna add totole, pepper, and broth powder. And then, mix it! And if you think it's not tasty enough, you can also add a little bit of seasonings. After it's tasty enough, you can pour the chicken. Mix, mix, mix!
And then, plating time! Woo!
And these are the ingredients and tools that we need for making mango Yakult.
First of all, we're gonna wash the mangoes.
After we wash it, we peel off the mango skin.
Mango, 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 mango.
But if you're too lazy, you can half cut the mango and make a pattern like this. Next up, we put the mango in the glass. After we put it, we mash the mangoes. Add some nata de coco. And then add some ice cubes. Pour some milk into the glass. And then pour some Yakult. On this part, we already put some mango on top, but the mango it's kinda drowning because we don't use whipped cream. And yep, it's all done. After we cook, we gave it first to Miss Elvia Gumay, our English teacher. And for the second meal, we gave it to Pajundan.
Yummy. The taste is very fresh.
Thank you so much for watching our cooking video. And